Come on.
Not mine.
Easy now.
Who's in here? Vanessa's in here. That's me.
What's the matter, Ness?
Nothing. Yeah. Let's go find Red. Hey, what are those left on the floor?
Oh my God.
What are those?
Rabbit turds. Get away from them.
Oh yeah.
It stinks?
Maddie, what is that?
Huh.
Go closer.
Looks like dog food.
No, I
Dog
think it's
food?
rabbit
Go
poop.
look.
Is it rabbit poop?
No, it's dog food. It's fuzz. They're little fuzz balls.
I don't know.
Fuzz?
It can't be
I think it's dog,
That's gotta be rabbit
dog
poop.
food. Dog food. The dog can smell it.
Oh no! Daisy, no!
Stop her!
Stop her!
No, it's dog food.
So she wouldn't be eating it if it wasn't dog food.